I haven't been to my garden in 2 months, so I am curious to see what's going on. We had 2 weeks of snowstorm, and it was terrible because we don't usually get snow here, but it was really bad. So the rain came and the snow melted, thank God. So let's go down into the garden to see what's going on down in there. Is there any plant still alive? What's going on? So let's take you down there. Okay. Let's see what's going on. Oh, look at that. The compost has sunken all the way down. Half. Interesting. Worm. Look, I got worms in there. Interesting. Okay. Lots of them too, you know. Look at that. Lots of them. Lots of them in this cold thing. Because they're like right up on the surface. Interesting. Yep, that has gone down too. I haven't finished building this section yet, but oh well. Let's see, are there worms in this side too? I don't see any. But anyway. So this bed is partially open. Look at my little cabbage trying to survive there. But the snails are having a field day, or whatever creature. I wonder how my garlic is doing in there. And, oh, I forgot about the gravel I put down. This is nice. I would be walking in mud otherwise. Oh, let's see what happened here. Oh, wow. Look what the wind did. The wind, the wind was so strong. The piece of board that the plastic was holding, the board that I used to hold the plastic up, it fell apart. Okay. Let's go around here. Let's see. Holy moly. Look at my, oh my gosh, my purple sprouted broccoli. Look at it. It looks so good. Now I want to take it inside. If it had any young suckers on it, I would take cuttings and bring it in. And I see my beets are still trying to grow. And the wind is ripping this one apart to see the board on the ground. But if those boards come off, it's going to be total disaster for the plastic, because there will be nothing keeping it from ripping up in the wind. So the tomatoes, everything in here is dead. I wonder, my lemongrass, will it come back in winter, in spring? Interesting to see. I've never grown lemongrass in this climate before, so we'll see what happens with that. No, most beds are not supposed to have anything in them. Let me see if there's anything. No, these are just weeds, okay? And down there in the corner there, what looks like grass is actually my oat plant. Oh, look, my chrysanthemum by that green container there is still alive. Interesting. I thought for sure the chrysanthemum would have died. Now let's see what's going on in here. And my plastic look as if it needs to be cleaned. See how green it is? And these are some form of brassica. And they're still going. The lettuce is still going. And look at the slugs eating it. I just want seeds from these. Don't care about foliage. Oh, look at this bed. These are all cabbages. Can you believe that? Yep, they are cabbages. I've never seen cabbages grown like this before. and regrown broccoli that I brought from in the house. Still has foliage. And let's see what's going on with this bed. So a few beets, cabbage, trying to do their thing. Oh my gosh, look how tall that cabbage grew. I've never seen cabbage done that before. Holy moly. And it seems as if this bed is going to need a serious top up. All the beds seem as if they're going to need a serious top up of soil. Oh look, garlic that didn't get harvested and now it's growing. I should just plant them, don't you think? I'll just separate them and stick them down in the ground. They're already growing anyway. Look at that. I'm planting outside in winter. Couldn't do that in Saskatchewan. It's all frozen ground there now. My mint. I forgot to harvest the mint. Most of it has died back, but that's okay. It will keep growing. But yes, the most important thing is to see how my gravel patch is holding up, and it's doing quite fine. I'm not walking in any mud. Usually this time of year I'd be just, let me show you how bad it is. It's, you see, it's all water. That's what I'd be walking in. If it's not water, it's mud. Like all of what you're looking at there, everything, all of this is water. You don't believe me? It's all water. But anyway, holy, look at the amount of weed in this thing. Like it's absolutely covered. Okay, so it seems as if the boards are falling off the plastic, so I'm gonna have some work to do down here. We've had some crazy wind. I mean really crazy wind, so I will see what is gonna happen for the rest of the winter to this garden, and then I will make adjustments accordingly. But for the most part it is still looking good and I'm not in any mud. So anyway, I just wanted to see what's going on and share it with you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful day. Yeah man, a time for grow.